Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to activate Always On Display option on this device. So, unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this first application. So just now tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to draw our apps. Now select the Muviz Edge application, click to the switcher and go back. Switch here Edge lights to AD and select one from these available towns which you will like. For example, I'll go in with this one. Okay, tap to apply and now let's check. Let's lock the device. And we could see that the Always On Display option successfully enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.